Welcome to this channel. Thank you for joining us. And if you are just joining us, subscribe to this channel. If you have been a regular viewer and you are yet to subscribe, also subscribe to this channel. Now here, you want to solve this problem. We are finding the values of x. So let's take 16 to this side. We have x raised to power 4 will be minus 16. So when we take plus 16 become minus, then equals to 0. So from here, we can write it another way, and we have x squared, then all squared. Also, we can write 16 to the power of 2. We have 4 squared. That will give us 16. Now, we are trying to derive something of the form of difference of 2 squared. So this is equal to 0. Now, from difference of 2 squares, we have a squared minus b squared to give us a plus b times a minus b. So we have this from difference of 2 squares, and when we apply that here, our a is standing as, here a is standing as x squared and b is standing as 4. So we then have a plus b, that's x squared plus 4 multiplied by a minus b, that's x squared minus 4, which is equals to 0. Now we have two solutions here. The first one, we have x squared plus 4 equals to 0. So we have x squared plus 4 equals to 0. And the second one here, we have x squared minus 4 equals to 0. From here, we can solve this by taking plus 4 to this side, become minus. We have x squared equals to minus 4. And since we are finding the value of x, we can find the square root on both sides so as to remove this square here. So when we take square root on this side, the square root will cancel square. And also taking square root on this side, we have to have two possible solutions, plus or minus. So we have x is now equals to plus or minus square root of, we can separate this as square root of 4 multiplied by square root of minus 1. So square root of 4 times square root of minus 1 is same thing as square root of minus 4. And square root of minus 1 is I. So we have x equals to plus or minus square root of 4, that's 2. Then root minus 1 is I. So we have two solutions here now. The first one being x1 equals to, we have plus 2i. And the second one, we have x2 equals to minus 2i. These are complex solution, complex number, imaginary number. Now from here, we can solve this one in this way. Also, we can express 4 as power of 2. We have x squared minus 2 squared equals to 0. And we can write this in this format as well, that is difference of 2 squares, whereby our a is 2 and our a is x rather, and our b is 2. So we have x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 2, which is equal to 0. Also, we have two solutions here. We have the first one, we have x plus 2 equal to 0. And we have the second one, we have x minus 2 equals to 0. Then from here, we can take plus 2 to this side, become minus. We have x equals to minus 2. Let's call this the third solution. And we have x equals to, when we take minus here, become 2. And we have the fourth solution. So, the solutions we have are therefore x equals to 2i, x equals to minus 2i, and also x could be equals to minus 2, and also x could be equals to plus 2. So we say thank you for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We appreciate you for always watching, and also do well to click on the subscription button. Also turn the notification bell on to be notified whenever we upload any videos. Thank you, and see you in the next class. Bye for now.